welcome visitors. In this video, I am going to tell you about blog writing and product description. As you can see, I have selected two topics from the blog from the website. Now I rewrite that. In the similar way, you can write your own product description by having content from the products and then rewrite in your own words. No one is going to put the copyright claim on you if you are using your own sentence and grammatical structure. In my 3 years experience, I don't got any copyright issue by doing this way. So let's start doing this. According to the latest trend that shows if you sleep in a limit that will erase your laziness, surely improve your health in true spec. By adopting the modern trends, if we can have a sleep in limit, then it will surely erase our laziness, and that will boost our health in true spirit. Impact of diet function shows stimulates our growth and all functions, all functions of body parts. So a healthy diet will improve our health in the best way. So you can see I have rewrite the above statements by using simple structure. You can make your own structure. So let's move on to the second paragraph. As you can see, you can also take a hint from the heading. Our topic is motivation and sense of achievement. You can write your own creative and essay structure in that. Look back on our past motivation and personality. Motivation can be of any type, whether it's external or not, external or internal. both will work for you if you apply motivation along with sense of achievement. Then it will put a great impression on your health this year, surely. So you can see that my primary keyword is boost your health. So I added the primary keyword at the end of my paragraph. So in the similar fashion, you can write as many words as you like. So this is the simplest way. There are lots of videos available on YouTube, but they don't tell you the secrets. So I am telling you the secrets of my success. It's my utmost desire that you can also have a good future in the content writing, blog writing. So see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.